Christmas is the season for restoring wedding dresses. Well, maybe not just about cleaning dresses, but it's still wonderful nonetheless. This beautiful modern lace gown has a few drink stains, some mud, and plastic buttons, so no need to remove them before cleaning. Bill does remove the metal hooks though, and now it's ready for a bath. When dealing with mud and dirt stains, the best method is a parasitic acid called Aflon. This detergent is incredible when dealing with stains from the earth, so it goes in and is left to soak overnight. The next day, the dress looks amazing. As you can tell by the water, all of the mud stains have been taken care of, and now it's time for a wet clean on our hand wash cycle. Now that it's finished, Bill straightens out the tool to make it easier to press later, and then it's left to air dry overnight. The next day, it's time to start the pressing process. Bill begins with the hanger loops and then moves on to the bust. Next, he moves on to pressing the body of the dress. This process will look a bit different than you're used to because of the way this fabric is made. All it needs is a little steam, a brush, and a vacuum. Now that it's finished, Bill sews back on the missing buttons. The before and afters of this gown are spectacular. Every stain removed, and now it's brighter than ever. Bill removes the bust pads, and now it's ready to be boxed up and sent back home. At the end of the day, Christmas is about care, patience, and love, and this restoration carries all three. A beautiful gown renewed just in time for the holidays. This dress is a perfect reminder that some of the best gifts are the ones we can restore.